Hello, and welcome to another update video on ICP. The market remains weak. Price is currently navigating this micro support zone between $3.66 and $4.52. This is our standard support zone here that we have been watching, but I don't see it as a very strong support area for various reasons that we discussed in previous updates. And also, I have to say that the decline can still be interpreted as a 5-wave move. So the pressure remains downward. The move to the upside can be seen as a wave 2 if it starts from here. Yeah, that is what I mean. If I said it before, if we now start to see a bounce from here, I would interpret it as a wave 2. We're now testing a critical spot, and any bounce from here would likely just be seen as a corrective bounce, a counter trend move. Yeah. An area is already defined on the chart where the price could get rejected from. This is between $5.54 and $8.09. This is a standard Fibonacci resistance zone. So if we go higher from here, this would be the first key pivot, the first key resistance zone to watch, and the price can easily get rejected from there. That would actually be the expectation, especially if the move to the upside unfolds as a 3-wave move. After 5 waves down, we would expect a 3-wave move up, because the 5-wave decline is the trend down, and the 3-wave move up would simply be a counter trend move, and then we should see another 5-wave move down in wave 3. See, it's just the market breathing in, breathing out. Very, very normal rhythm. What the market is normally doing is exactly that. Yeah, 5 waves into the trend direction, 3 waves as a counter trend move. Now you also see here that after the 10th of October low, the market gave us a 3-wave move up. I think we don't need to debate that. It's clearly not 5 waves. The market has failed to form a 5-wave move. I mean, of course, when we start to see some upside momentum, we can always track for 5 waves. But until they actually have formed, there is no evidence that the bulls are taking the lead. So in this case, we had a 3-wave move up. Again, what is that? It's a counter trend move. And afterwards, a 5-wave decline. That adds weight to the white scenario. Basically makes the white scenario clearly the leading scenario. And I would only change my opinion about this and would adopt a more bullish perspective. Should the price break above the initial pivot, should the price break above initial resistance at $8.09, because that level is a little bit too high. If we go above it, it's a bit too high for this wave 2. Please note that the white scenario, the so-called 1-2 setup to the downside, will only be invalidated if we get a break above the November high, which formed here at around $9.95. This is the invalidation point. A wave 2 will always be invalidated with a break, in this case above the beginning of the wave 1. So yeah, that's the update on ICP. Hope you enjoyed the update. Make sure you follow. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.